My snakes ate today, and everybody settled in digesting food, so I thought I'd just make a quick video going through my house, showing everybody how it's set up. It is literally a snake house. There's Jasmine over there. And we have Belle over here, my young clown female, peeking out the door at me. This is where I spend most of my time with my snakes, on my daybed. That's my computer system there, my surround sound, my monitor. Chewy's resting. He's getting ready to shed, so he's priming for a shed. And snake room out there. Here we have Lydia. Who's in here? Oh, okay. That's Rastus, my spider male. And we have my Gustavis in here in their hide for the night. We have my 2-inchies. We have Tawny, she's gravid. We have Star, my pied female in there. Yeah, it's my little kitchen. You can tell I gave my house to my snakes. It's obvious. I love it. Hi, Lil. Yeah, it's nice. I love my house. It's a snake house. No mistake about it. Yeah. And these are the kids out here all settled in for the night. That's my snake room out here. Everybody ate today. Everybody's digesting food. But yeah. Look at you! You're getting so big. Look how big you're getting. I love the clown ball pythons. I really think they're one of the prettiest there is of the newer genetics. This is Belle. She's getting really big. I didn't comb my hair, but it doesn't matter because I'm making Spanish rice. I've got 2 roast pans in the oven going, but I just wanted to do an update on Belle and Star. I'll get Star out after. She's doing great. Go say hi. Go visit. Oh, are you gonna be shy? Why are you being shy? Huh? Why are you being shy? I love them to death. I spend so much time with my snakes, handling them and taking them out and everything. They mean so much to me, and they're great therapy. They calm you right down. Well, in my case, they can't because my shakes are from my spine damage, but normally they have a very calming effect on people. And this is Belle. Will you open up so people can see how big you got? Huh? You're not going to be social tonight? Aren't you pretty? Look at her. She's beautiful. How about you hang upside down? Not going to come out of your curve, are you? Okay. There you go. Yeah, this virus is something else. I really didn't have to change my lifestyle because I'm a stay-home person all the time anyway. All my time's invested in my animals, my snakes, and taking care of them. So I didn't really have to change my lifestyle at all. I don't have anything personal against people. It's just I prefer being home with my animals. You're not going to come out. You're hooked right onto me, aren't you? You want to go roam around a little bit? No? You're not going to let me go, are you? See how you are. See how you are. And here's my girl Star. She came from Jacob at Zamora Reptiles. Last year I got her. I got her at an auction online with Ed and Cass. She's really big. She's getting beautiful too. They grow so fast. It's kind of sad in a way that they grow as fast as they do, but you have to expect it if they're healthy. Sorry I'm not dressed for the occasion. Like I said, I'm in the middle of making 2 big roast pans of Spanish rice for the night. Where you going, Star? Huh? Where you going? Hi. Hi. Everybody gets a turn out of their enclosures at least 2 or 3 days a week. It's a house rule I have. They need activities and exercise. Actually, the big thing is they need mental stimulation because if they're not exposed to anything around them in the outside of their enclosures, there's nothing really for them to learn from. And they are fully capable of learning. So we're not stupid animals. No, we're not. Look at that tongue going 1,000 miles an hour. What are you doing, Star? You're definitely a star. Don't come see Mama. Of course you are. She's very pretty. You're a pretty girl. Huh? Now show them how pretty you are. It's okay. But this is Star. She came from Jacob at Zamora Reptiles in New Mexico. I got her last year. She's a beautiful girl too. They're all beautiful. I've never seen an ugly snake, to be honest with you. But gotta go get Mama. Gotta go to Mom. See how long she got? She's huge. She's really a big girl. I don't know if I want to try and breed her this year or next year. What are you doing, Star? Huh? They're all very friendly social snakes. They love to be around me. Where are you going, Mama? Where are you going, Mama? Where are you going? And you can't get up there either. It's too much to get lost in up there. Yeah, but she's big. She's really big. I love my little snakes. I love baby snakes. I love all snakes. It's kind of sad they grow up so fast, but that's what you get them for, to raise them to be adults. You're heavy. Let me shaking. You're heavy, little girl, you are. I'm doing this one for you, Jacob, at Zamora, so you can see how pretty she is now. Gorgeous girl, isn't she? Perfect shed. Every one of my snakes have perfect sheds, except for Tipper. Ginger has perfect sheds. Tipper's the only lazy ball python I have that gives me hassle about his shed. He's one of my oldest ball pythons, so I guess he's allowed. They get old and lazy, undoubtedly. This is Star.